95% of candidates failed this WASSCE 2025 maths question. Let's solve it step by step so you never repeat the same mistake. Let's delve right into this.
Welcome to Math with Father. Welcome to Math with Father. Subscribe, like and share.
Now, from the question, it says in the diagram, EFG, and H lie on the circumference of the circle center O. The line EG and FH intersect at J, such that the angle GFH is 30 degrees and HJE is 110 degrees. We are calculating the angle EOF as I, and then II angle JEH. From the question, the first thing to do is to locate these angles. Now we have angle EOF, and we are to assign the letter alpha. So angle EOF has been assigned the letter alpha. Let's move on to the angle EJEH. So the angle here is also assigned beta. So these are the two angles under study. Now the only way to solve questions of this sort, which is a circle inscribed with triangles, is to use the circle theorem and the angle properties. Now from the circle theorem, now to come out with the angle EOF, the angle here, angle EJH, the angle here is equal to the angle here, is equal to the angle FJG. So what property links or equates these two angles is the vertically opposite angle. So the angle here is vertically opposite to the angle here. Now the property used here is vertically opposite. Therefore angle, so we have 110 degrees here, is equal to the angle FJH. So our angle here is 110 degrees, 110 degrees. Now from triangle FJG, from this triangle FJG, the summation of the interior angles should give us 180 degrees. So we know this side to be 110. We're also given the angle GFG. We're given the angle GFG to be 30 degrees. So the from triangle FJG, we sum up the interior angles inside this triangle. So angle FJG plus the angle JGF plus the angle GFG should give us 180 degrees. Now from the diagram, we have the angle FJG to be 110, the angle here 110 degrees, plus angle JGF is the angle under consideration, and angle GFG also was given to be 30 degrees. So let's compute this and then find the angle JGH. So we have 110 degrees plus 30 degrees, which sum up to 140. Angle JGH plus 140 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Angle JGH is equal to 180 degrees minus 140 degrees. Angle JGH is equal to 40 degrees. So the angle here is assigned 40 degrees. 40. Let's move on. The angle here is assigned 40 degrees. Now from the circle theorem, there is a theorem which says the angle at the circumference at the center is twice the angle at the circumference from the same chord. So let's observe that theorem. Angle at the center, the angle here, the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference from the same chord. So from the chord EF, from chord EF, it subtends an angle at O. The same chord subtends an angle at G. So angle EGF is equal to twice the angle EGF. So let's angle EGF is equal to twice. Now the angle here EGF is 40 degrees. 40 degrees. Our angle EGF is equal to 80 degrees. So from the question, EO. So this is O. EOF. This is EGF. So the angle here is 80 degrees. So our first question has been answered to be 80 degrees. So let's proceed. So we have angle EOF to be 80 degrees. Now let's move back to the question proper. We are asked to find the angle JEH, the angle here. JEH, the angle here. We are asked to find the angle here, JEH, the angle here. Now JEH, from the question, JEH, triangle JEH, from triangle JEH, we have these angles summing up, forming the interior angles. Is equal to 180 degrees. Now from the diagram, EJH is 110 degrees. EJH is 110 degrees. We don't know the angle here. From a certain theorem which says the angles at the circumference are the same. So angles formed at the circumference are the same if they are from the same chord. So from chord EF, it subtends an angle at G. The same chord subtends an angle at H. So the angle here is also measured 40 degrees. So we can conclude that EHG is 40 degrees. EAJ is 40 degrees, and we have, so JEH is the angle under consideration, plus the angle EHJ is 40 degrees. That was what we calculated for, plus the angle HJE is also 110 degrees. Is equal to 180 degrees. So let's sum up these angles. Angle JEH plus 40 degrees plus 110 degrees, giving us 150 degrees, is equal to 180 degrees. Angle JEH is equal to 180 degrees minus 150 degrees. Angle JEH is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore, from our figure, angle JEH, the angle here, measures 30 degrees. So the summation of these angles should sum up to 180, similar to the angles over here. So the angle JEH is giving us 30 degrees. Now it's your turn. Try solving a similar circle theorem problem and drop your answer in the comments. I will reply to the first 10 correct ones, and don't forget to hit the subscribe,
like, and share
button for weekly exams hack. Thank you. I'm out.